Welcome to episode 2 of my farm series. Yeah, today we are stepping into something massive, a large rice farm. Yes, it's as big as you're imagining and maybe more. In this episode, you will discover how much it takes to start a rice farm, how long it takes before you can harvest, and most importantly, the do's, the don'ts, and the real hustle behind running a profitable rice farm.
My name is Rejoice Adoma once again, and I'm here with
Mr. Vincent Obiechina.
All right, Mr. Vincent Obiechina. We are really showing you what other cameras cannot show you. Come with us.
Let me walk you through the process of rice harvesting using a modern combine harvester. It's a machine designed to cut and clean the rice grains all in one seamless operation. On average, this equipment can harvest one plot of rice, typically around 1,000 square meters, in just 20 to 30 minutes, depending on field conditions and crop density. It's not only efficient but also minimizes grain loss and reduces the labor intensity traditionally associated with manual harvesting. One thing I love about coming to the farm is just how peaceful and fresh everything feels. We've got rivers flowing nearby, and guess what? That's how we get our natural irrigation system. No machines, just nature doing its thing. Now let's talk business. Rice farm takes about 3 months to mature, and yes, those 3 months are full of lessons, of course, but full of profit as well. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from someone who's been in the game for so many years. So meet Mr. Vincent. He's a passionate rice farmer and my colleague in this journey.
The rice has 3 types. One is transplanting. Like this is the rice.
Wow.
You can take the rice and open the land and plant it. That is transplanting.
Transplanting, yes.
You can sow the rice inside the soil. Can broadcast the rice on the land.
Okay.
So 3 types of planting.
Planting rice. Which one is easier? The best method?
Broadcasting. But you get disadvantage and advantage. Sometimes bird disturb the rice you broadcast. But transplanting is the best, because if you transplant the rice, nothing can attack it at the young age, and the rice will grow well.
How much are we looking at?
One can start the planting rice. Let's assume you want to plant 8 shade or 1 hectare. One plot is 8 shade. So one can start planting 1 plot. You can make a sure you have like 200 or 500,000 to make the farm to plant the rice.
Make sure from beginning to the harvesting.
Or rather, if the money don't finish the work, it remains small.
Okay.
One of our biggest challenges is birds.
You came to eat our rice and you've ended up in a cage. Birds are trapped by the net. See the nets that trap the bird. Okay, that's why these nets are put here. This one came in and then got trapped. This is why net is being put in rice farms.
And don't get me started. Another thing is flooding. Too much water, entire farm can go from profits to problems. That's why we carefully block off our drainage channels to prevent flood damage and ensure a good harvest. But here's the good news. This season we made it. We didn't waste our money, and the joy of seeing that success is priceless. Look at our rice. So now I have to ask you, why keep all your money sitting in the bank when you could be investing in something as profitable as agriculture, more importantly rice farming? If you're interested in learning how to farm, shoot me an email at chiamakarejoiceandemeka@gmail.com or WhatsApp the number on your screen. Agriculture is the new gold mine. Agriculture is the real deal right now. This is just episode 2 of the series, and we're only getting started. From cocoyam to potatoes to cassava field, yellow cassava. Have you ever seen a yellow cassava before? I'm going farm, how it works A to Z, T to T. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and do not forget to share this video